this video is about a study plan for you to be able to prepare for 10 hours in a day effectively. In the context of preparation, it is actually the quantity of your preparation, in my opinion, which is more important than the quality of your preparation. Yes, smart work is important. Yes, you need to be doing focused preparation. But if you are not able to give the dedicated number of hours, you'll be very sorry at the end of the process. Now, this study plan as you have it here is spaced out with a lot of breaks, 15-minute breaks after 1 or 1.5 hours of preparation, and generous 1 hour breaks for your meals. 1 hour for your breakfast, 1 hour for your lunch, 1 hour for your dinner. And the study plan also has an interval of 2 hours in the evening for you to be able to do whatever else that you want to do, whether it is playing badminton, going for a run, meeting friends, you can do it. Now, in these 15-minute breaks which are given in this schedule, use it constructively. Use it constructively by not doing anything. Allow your mind to rest before you get back to the table again for preparation. It is totally okay even if you are spending this 10 minutes, 15 minutes in taking a nap before your next round of preparation. Now, if you are able to follow this chart, you might be able to sustain your preparation without facing much of a burnout. Now, through this timetable, you will be able to prepare for 10 hours in a day. You will be able to get your adequate sleep of 7.5 hours, 1 hour for every meal, and 2 hours for you to do whatever else that you want to do. Now, combine the study plan with a good app like Forest. Now, Forest is an app that will help you keep track of preparation, which will help you log the amount of time that you are spending in preparation. Now, at the end of a week, you might be able to check how many hours you invested in current affairs, how much in revision, how much in polity. You will be able to track whether you are able to bring week on week improvements, month on month improvements. So, this study plan can go together with any app of your choice that can help you plan your day, that can help you log in the number of hours that you are spending in preparation. Let me know whether this works for you.